Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with the May Magical Mystery Bead Box. I've had this for a little while and I'm just posting the unboxing. Super excited. I already went through it. I'm sorry. But anyway, you know what? I left the card over on a different table, but it's all about Frida for May. So we will go through the little boxes that we got in this kit. So we have the Two Fridas. Tons of beads in this mix. Two white iridescent ovals, some little off-white tassels, some matte and shiny crystals, some more little like leatherette tassels like faux suede. We have some like little, I don't know what shape that would be. Like, I don't know, not spindle. I don't know what shape that is. I'll think about it. But they're a nice metallic blue. We've got some matte gray crystals in a rondelle shape. Some spacers. Some pearls. Some little shell beads and some triangles. That's a pretty cool shape. Those are like blue-gray. Oh, some green lava beads. And some more metal beads. Some cubes. It's like a blue iridescent. Some tiny green cubes. We got some black cubes. Love cubes. And I think, oh no, we have some tiny gray rondelles. And that's it for that mix, but there are a lot of beads in that mix. Next, we have self-portrait with monkeys. So as you can see, there's a self-portrait of Frida with some little tiny monkey. Well, I think it's one monkey. And is that a cat? So cute. I love that they feature artists. Last year it was Van Gogh. And this year it is Frida. These are beautiful. I love this color green. Here's that shape again, but in fluted. That's the word I was looking for. In a green. This is almost like a green onyx color. Love these like framed beads. I love that like gold edge in the brown middle. Some beautiful hexagons. I think they're hexagons. Very shiny. Oh my goodness. Little monkeys. I didn't see these when I looked through it earlier. This is so cute. I love those little monkeys. Reminds me of Goldie because sometimes I call her a monkey. And then we've got some nice bead caps. Oh, I didn't see these either because I kind of just looked at the mix. I didn't open it up. Cute little hummingbirds. Oh my gosh, my mom loves hummingbirds. Those are super duper cute. Some nice crystal rondelles and a metallic iridescent, or not iridescent, but like a color change. I don't know, mystic, like oil slick color. These are beautiful. And some green rondelles. And then some little tiny spacers. Super cute mix. Next, we have Frida with Picasso earring. I love these huge flowers. So beautiful. We have some chandelier findings, connectors, some tassels, hot pink, two magnesite ovals, huge heart, so cute. Love this. Already has a patina on it. Can use either side. And then some beautiful acrylic roses. An awesome plum fuchsia color. Love this mix. Love this big heart. Love the color combo. Super beautiful. Next, we have a beautiful ribbon. Love that. Oh, that's just so pretty. The yellow with the blue and green. Then we have a little, I love these little things. Look, oh my gosh. Oh Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I didn't notice it had a monkey on it and leaves. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. This makes me want to cry. It's so cute. OMG, that's so cute. And then we have a little Frida that's also like a sugar skull, and it's double-sided. Love that. This is such a cool box. And we have our Casa Azul strand, and it's got beautiful enamel flowers, a beautiful bright blue. This is bright blue, emerald shape crystal, nice ceramic beads, nice metal beads, another rondelle, a cool like flower petal bead cap, and some spacers, and it repeats. Love that. That's gorgeous. So already we have 3 mixes, some specialty pieces, and a strand, but we still have another mix. This is called the frame. We've got 2 little yellow tassels, 4 pink tassels. It's a good color. 2 blue tassels. Then we've got some teardrops. 2 red, like these almost look like buttons, but they're beads. Gorgeous. Like a nice vintage, like retro red. 2 bead frames, antique brass. 2 bead frames in gold. They're a little different. We've got some matte pearls in like a fuchsia hot pink. Gorgeous. Love those. These drops are so cool. Oh, love them. We've got some yellow bicones. Love this color palette. That yellow with the pink is amazing. Some square spacers. Some daisy spacers. Some blue beads. Some blue, these are like squat pumpkins. We've got some bead caps, like a little flower. Goldy hair. And I think, oh, nope, we've got these little red crystals as well. These are cute. Are these top drill? They're kind of like UFO shape. That's interesting. I haven't seen that from Jesse James Beads before. Very pretty. This is a really cute mix. I think, oh, I can't say which one's my favorite. I guess I really like this one, and I really liked the one with the turquoise and the pink. It's called Frida with Picasso earrings. And then last, oh, we also have some ribbon ends to go with the beautiful ribbon. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use that in something. And then this gorgeous chain. When I saw this chain, I like gasped because I love it so stinking much, and I want like 1,000,000 feet of it. I know that would take up my entire bead room, but we can want what we want. But this, look at these little donuts, little enamel donuts, but there's a turquoise and there's orange and there's red and pink and blue and green and black, and it's just fantastic. You can use this all as one. You can use all these separately. It's just, you could take all the greens apart and link those together. So many things you can do with this. I love enamel chain. I love this chain. I love this box. It's so beautiful. My favorite, I think, surprisingly, is this mix because I just love that pink with the yellow. I love these roses with these big filigrees. These little tiny monkeys. Let me stink it. Oh my gosh, with these monkeys. Oh my gosh. And this donut chain. So basically everything. Let me know what you think. Check out the link in the description of this box. Let me know what your favorite was from this month, and stay tuned because I will be making a tutorial with this box. I haven't made a tutorial with the April box yet, but it is coming. I promise. We're just a little behind. We're just a little behind on Turquoise.Street, but it's getting there. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.